Hello everyone, welcome to EduBureau. I am Bhavna Kapoor. Today's topic is the need for a fiscal council in India. Firstly, let's talk about the meaning. Fiscal Council refers to an independent public institution aiming at strengthening commitments to sustainable public financing through various functions including public assessments of fiscal plans and performance and the evaluation or provision of macroeconomic and budgetary forecasts. Fiscal councils are now part of the institutional fiscal apparatus of over 50 countries, including several emerging and developing economies. Now, what are the composition and how should they function? 14th Finance Commission recommended setting up an independent fiscal council through amendment to FRBM, that is Fiscal Responsibility and Budgetary Management Act, by inserting a new section mandating the establishment of an independent fiscal council to undertake ex ante assessment of budget proposals and to ensure their consistency with fiscal policy and rules. The council is supposed to be appointed by and report to Parliament and should have its own budget. The functions of the Council include ex ante evaluation of the fiscal implications of the budget proposals, which includes evaluation of how real the forecasts are and their consistency with the fiscal rules, and estimating the cost of various proposals made in the budget. The ex post evaluation and monitoring of the budget was left to the CAG, that is Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Now, why India needs a fiscal council? Various cesses and surcharges are becoming disproportionate proportion of overall divisible revenue. There should be some mechanism to ensure that the basic spirit of the devolution process should not be undercut by clever financial engineering or taking recourse to traditions. Secondly, there is a need for coordination between the Finance Commission as well as GST Council. GST Council has no clue of what Finance Commission is doing, and Finance Commission has even lesser clue of what GST Council is doing. Third, also for state government liabilities, Article 293 Clause 3 provides a constitutional check over borrowing, but there is no such restriction on centre. Therefore, it's time to have an alternative institutional mechanism like Fiscal Council to enforce fiscal rules and keep a check on centre's fiscal consolidation. Now, what is the relevance of a fiscal council given the COVID times? How COVID-19 pandemic has made it more relevant? The government needs to borrow and spend more now in order to support vulnerable households and engineering economic recovery, but that will mean a steep rise in debt, which will jeopardize medium term growth prospects, and an issue prominently flagged by all rating agencies in recent evaluation. Now, what are the recommendations so far made in this regard? Expert committee recommendations on fiscal council. In India, two expert committees have advocated the institution of such a council in recent years. First, in 2017, the N.K. Singh Committee on the Review of Fiscal Rules set up by Finance Ministry suggested creation of an independent fiscal council that would provide forecasts and advise government on whether conditions exist for deviation from the mandated fiscal rules. Next, in 2018, the D.K. Srivastava Committee on Fiscal Statistics established by the National Statistical Commission (NSC) also suggested the establishment of a fiscal council that could coordinate with all levels of government to provide harmonized fiscal statistics across governmental levels and provide an annual assessment of overall public sector borrowing requirements. So, these recommendations follow similar recommendations from 13th and 14th Finance Commission as well, which also advocated the establishment of independent fiscal agencies to review government's adherence to fiscal rules and to provide assessments of budget proposals. Hence, there is a strong case for a need of an independent fiscal council in India. With this, I end my today's video. Thank you and take care.